Living and working in West Wales, you're never far away from an area of real natural beauty. Whether that's the sea, lakes, forests or mountains, you've got a vast array of choice.
Mae gennym ni offer anhygoel a gweithlu medrus iawn a chlós. Yr haf yma fy'r gorau. Mae'n anhygoel gallu mynd i gael sglodion i swper gyda'r plant ar y traethau harddaf ar ôl gwaith. Mae'r ysgolion wedi rhoi croeso cynnes i'r plant ac rydyn ni eisoes yn teimlo'n rhan o'r gymuned.
Hywel Dda is such a supportive and inclusive environment. One of my favourite things about working here is that everyone is valued for who they are and what they can bring to the table. Hywel Dda has supported me to bring my individuality to work and has taught me how to recognise the individuality of my team in order to achieve our goals.
It's one of the UK's safest places to live and house prices aren't too bad either. Lots of out of work things to do. It's great for work-life balance, and if you're into the sea, surfing, walking, cycling, canoeing, you name it, it's a fabulous place to be.
I've been lucky enough to work alongside and with many inspirational colleagues who've encouraged and supported my nursing journey to senior nurse manager in the same speciality. It's been a privilege to work in this speciality and for Hywel Dda University Health Board, and I look forward to the next chapters in my nursing journey.
I moved to Wales about 3 years ago for a better quality of life. I have to say it's amazing here. Whatever you want, countryside, castles, beaches, mountains, you've got it right on your doorstep. Diverse learning opportunities.
Mae'n ffordd o weld pobl a theimlo eich bod chi'n gwneud rhywbeth defnyddiol. Byddwn yn ei argymell i unrhyw un sy'n ei wneud mewn gwirionedd.
Care for patients from all specialities, so there is never a dull moment and we are constantly learning. Living and working in West Wales, you are never far away from an area of a real natural beauty.
I've been qualified for 3 years now following the Grow Your Own short nursing degree. Throughout these 3 years I've had lots of learning opportunities, and in the future there's always chances for progression.